in senior high. And this year we had 31 participants in the SkillsUSA competition, state competition here in Grand Island. There were 18 competitions, and of those 18 competitions we had 9 place finishers in the top 3, including 2 state champions, one in the mousetrap car and diesel technology. You know, we had 9 people who placed, but really of the 31, there were 31 students who wanted to be there. What SkillsUSA has done for our students is provide them an opportunity to compete and showcase their skills against other students in the state. I'm extremely proud of our students and how hard they've worked.